back here, I'm seeing something I want to, you know, check out. Could be all natural. I don't know. I want to check it out. We're still in close vicinity of one of our research areas. Just went down a new road path that we never went down, and we're seeing some really interesting things. So we decided to get out, and this here looks nice. First of all, you got the ground glyphs, which somehow, for some reason, you can tell was moved. I get that impression this was moved recently. And then you got this. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Ooh, like this. Yeah, you have this.
Oh, it's everything.
It's everything, yeah. You have this pointing that way towards the water. You have this arch here, totally pinned down by that. Wow. Pretty neat. Oh, look at this. You got a fresh, let's go look at this fresh snap break thing. If there's any hair on it. Any luck. See anything? Yeah, that's pretty neat. You know, I can see where some of this could be natural, but I can also see where this is fresh. This is a fresh tree underneath those right there, and it's growing still. So yeah, some of it's manipulated, I think. Oh, I heard that. Heard that little snap. Wow. It's amazing how big this area is, and we first time going down here, right? Get the way this is taken and it's placed behind this tree. Behind this tree. And it guys snap right there. Yes, we do. One day it will be our turn. Oh, that's a nice, you see that? Nice little pointer arch there. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize this was pinned down over here too. Oh wow, this place is really nice. Man, why are we here? We should be here. Wow. That's neat. Look at this. This has been moved. This has been moved right here. Recently. Yeah, that's the second one. What's back here? This is interesting. Look at the way this is, like a triangle. You know? Boom, boom, boom. On the ground. Wow, Pam. New area. Isn't that nice? Hey, come here. Look at this. This is very interesting. Look at this. Check this out. All right, so you have this little arch. Look at this. You got this leaner right here. Look at that. Ooh, it's been.
Ooh, yes, something's been on it.
Let's look. Could be a bear looking for grubs, but it could be anything. See if we got any hair. Don't see any. All right, look. This is neat to me because you have this little half arch thing, right? Look what's holding it down. The stick. Literally, this stick is holding it down right here. And this is in front of this tree. This is in front of this tree, like totally clipped in.
Is that a goat?
That's a person.
They're right there. What do they do?
Right there.
My everything, my knife, everything.
Let's go get.
Yeah, my knife.
Look at this though, look at this.
I don't like the way they.
No, I don't either. Yeah, but this is a nice arch. Yeah, we better. I just want to get a picture of this arch. No. Yeah, there's no hunting. That's all right. We're gonna head back to the car, get in the car, and we'll be safe.